Chennai-based artist Beena Unnikrishnan is set to showcase her powerful traveling solo exhibition, Eka the One, a stunning visual ode to the 64 yoginis, in Mumbai from 31st January to 2nd February 2026 at P.L. Deshpande Maharashtra Kala Academy, Prabhadevi, Mumbai, Maharashtra 400025. The showcase will also include a special documentary screening on 2nd February, with two shows scheduled from 10 a.m., 11 a.m. and 11 a.m. 12 o'clock noon. The journey began when I started painting Mahatripusundari, says Beena, who is originally from Kollam. She is a powerful universal energy and I wanted to capture her 64 expressions. These forms or energies represent yoginis, and Beena explains that while they embody feminine energy, they need not be restricted to gender norms. They are beyond gender and are the energy within oneself, she adds. Beena has been painting and documenting the 64 yoginis since 2015, a project rooted in deep personal exploration. The exhibition is an outcome of a spiritual trail she undertook across yogini temples in India beginning in 2015, traveling extensively to understand their histories, energies, and mythic significance. Her canvases reimagine the yoginis as women of immense power, serenity, and unrestrained grace. Her canvases reimagine the yoginis as forces of inner power and awakening. Gauri represents transformation through renewal and graceful evolution. Charchika embodies divine vigilance, fiercely protecting truth and what is sacred. Bhadrakali carries the power of spiritual knowledge, cutting through illusion to restore clarity and balance. While painting the yoginis, Beena travelled extensively to the 64 yogini temples across Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Uttar Pradesh. Though these temples have been architecturally restored under the ASI, she says it is deeply painful to witness the goddesses in broken form. It feels disturbing to see the deity fragmented, she reflects, adding that these spaces deserve far greater attention.
Please take us through your entire journey.
Eka the One is an exhibition about the 64 yoginis, which I started in 2015. I took 5 years to finish. So if you see, 64 yogini temples are available in Madhya Pradesh, Orissa and UP, and there are a lot of temples even in the stories in Rajasthan, but it is not available now. They are all into very, it's under archaeology department, but nothing as such as a temple. So for me, I started this journey to paint Mahatripusundari. I wanted to paint her just because my guru or my mentor said that I will write about Sri Vidya. So writing Sri Vidya was not easy for me. So it was easiest thing or which I could connect was my paintings, which I thought I'll paint Mahatripusundari. So to paint this universal feminine power, it was not very easy. So to understand her, I thought I need to go for a journey. But I never knew that the journey will take me 11 years. So I took 5 years to paint her. So before painting her, the 64 yoginis are 64 expressions of Mahatripusundari. It's not even 64 yoginis, it just says that 64,000 crores of yoginis. So out of that 64. So that is how the journey started in 2015 and 20 I finished painting.
You're traveling with the painting.
Hello everyone, namaskar. Thank you for coming to this exhibition. आप देख ही रहे होंगे कितने स्पेक्टेकुलर, स्टनिंग और कितने वाइब्रेंट कलर्स यूज़ करे गए हैं. These are the energies that we have inside. Actually हम सब दबा के रखते हैं क्योंकि हमें एक संसार के फ्रेमवर्क में फिट होना होता है. This is a expression of an artist which drew me to Beena. और मुझे लगा कि बहुत कुछ है हमारे अंदर जो हम उसको नाम भी नहीं दे पाएंगे. एंड देयर इज़ अ योगिनी टू रिप्रेजेंट दैट इमोशन. मुझे तो ये तक नहीं पता था कि एक एक इमोशन की, एक एक भाव की, एक एक फीलिंग की कोई देवी होती हैं जिनको आप रीच आउट कर सकते हो, कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. मेरा बीना के साथ में कनेक्शन ये रहा कि उन्होंने ये जर्नी जो है उनकी 11-12 साल की फिल्म पे डॉक्यूमेंट करी. ऐसे ही जैसे आप लोग कैमरा लेकर के आए, वो कैमरा लेके गई थी और उन्होंने जब उसको स्टिच किया तो इतनी अच्छी फिल्म बनी है वो. It's roughly around 69 minutes, 70 minutes, एंड वो आप देखना, दैट विल मेक यू चेंज योर माइंड. ये जो फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए भी जो आप लोग हैं, आपको देखना चाहिए कि हम जगह जगह कैमरा लेके जाते रहते हैं, स्टोरीज ढूंढते रहते हैं. व्हाट बीना's जर्नी taught me is that nothing is by coincidence, all dots connect. आप भी कभी अपने लाइफ में कभी देखना कि what all you have shot in your life, you go for one editorial and you think आज ये स्टोरी फिट हो गई, बस यही काम था. But if you think about it, each story, journey, each time you click something was very well connected, and that's the synchronicity that I learned from this journey of mine, by connecting with